So just trying to determine where the air in the piston exhaust. So basically what I'm saying is, when the low side has air, the high side needs to be empty. And then when the high side has air, the low side has to be empty. So the air inside the valves and the piston and the pipes has to be exhausted, right? So let's say you have air on the low on, right? You can't just switch it off because you can't just close the valve because there's still going to be air inside. It's still going to be pressurized. So you need to empty that air out. So I'm just looking at the slave valve here, and I see this hole in the back here. And that must be the exhaust valve. We'll determine by testing it shortly, but that must be the exhaust valve. And on the old one, or a slightly different model, you'll see that they had these little channels here. So I think the air comes out through here when the valve opens. It just leaves through here. Because otherwise, see, on this side they just closed it off completely. And on here they purposely made these little ridges. So I think those play a role in the valve. I remember some reading on a forum that if these things get clogged up with dirt, then the valve won't work properly because there's still going to be air locked in the system. So it's imperative that the exhaust hole is clean. We'll find that out soon enough.